Hey! Anneli from Swedish Made Easy here. Today we're going to check in with the letter E in the alphabet. We're going to see what it sounds like when we say it, the long version and the short version. So get your notebook ready and grab a pen, så kör vi! The letter E in the alphabet in Swedish sounds like this. E. E. This is the long version, so like we have seen with A, we also have the long and the short version with the vowel E. So the long one is E. E. Now this will vary a little bit depending on the dialect that someone has. So there can be regional variations, but quite a lot of people in and around central Sweden will say the E like this, E. You might hear like a little twang at the end. This is what is known as a diphthong. A diphthong is when a vowel sound comes from one kind of sound and morphs into something else. So for example in English you have a lot of diphthongs. You say for example A, so A, it's almost like going for A, that's a diphthong. So we have a tiny diphthong here in the Swedish E. It's almost like if I exaggerate it, it would be like Ea, but we don't speak like that. So instead it's very short, very subtle, just E. E. The diphthong happens when we kind of release the E. E. It's the releasing of the tongue when you just relax. Then the diphthong will happen sort of naturally, so you don't have to think about forcing your mouth or tongue to create that sound. You just say E, and you just relax at the end. E. Just relax. You can see it in a lot of words. The word for tea, for example, tea, tea. Many other words. The short E sound is more, it's snappier, it's lower, it's not quite as smiley. So instead of going E, which is quite smiley, we go E. Yeah, so a lot shorter. You can often see this this sound in words that have double consonants after. For example, the word for this, or the formal version of the word for this, which is detta, D-E-T-T-A. So you have T-T, double consonant, detta, E, E. It's not E, this is a long one, E, E. Detta. So that is the long sound for E and the short sound E. And that is all for today. See you next time. Hej då!